Today we are going to be making another video, and yeah, so today we're going to be doing water fireworks. That was it. What you're going to do, you're going to get a big glass of water, all the way, a massive pint milk, right? Try and fill it all the way up to the top. Mine's going to be back to you guys, but yeah, here, 1 pint. So you're going to try and fill it all the way up to there, and then in these little glasses, 2 little cups. I'm using 2 because 2 different colours makes it look better. We're going to get 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're going to get just normal olive oil. It doesn't ask for a specific kind, but I'm using it because what I've got. So I'm just going to pour this in. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. So you shouldn't have loads, just a little bit. You see? Where is it? There it is. There it is. Yeah, so just a bit. And we'll do it any other cup as well. You can use any colour you like. You don't have to use the ones I'm using. I'm using blue and green. Because again, it's what I got. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. There we go. You can mix them together, but blue and green are just dark green, so it won't look that nice. It'll be harder to see. It might be good if you have a stick of torch underneath, you might be able to see it all better. But yeah, you want just standard room temperature water with this when you fill it. So I'm just going to stick a lid on my oil and try to hope I haven't made a mess by putting my tablespoon on the table. Yeah, so we're going to get a little bit of food colouring, just 2 drops. Hopefully we can get 2 drops. Ooh, that's a bit much. And then we're going to get a nice little fork. Where's my fork? Get a fork and just... Oh, there we go. Right, so what you want to do, you want to get this. You want to just break it up into smaller little bits. Yeah. Now, if I had proper, oh, there you go. You can see. Okay. So look, you got a nice bit of droplet breaking. And we're going to do the same. You don't want those. You want 2 little drops. So I'm just going to go. Hopefully this works. Woo. Okay, that was a bit much. Okay, so I did 1 big drop, but yeah, that's breaking it nice. Just want to break up into little bits. Why we're using the fork, because it'll be a bit more responsive to stick that straight in the sink. Okay, so got our big glass. We got our oil with the blue. This one's the blue one now. We've made our green. Oh, just swirl it around a bit so you get all the droplets, and then you just pour. And I'm not sure why that's not. Alright, so had a little mishap. So I've mixed mine together, hoping it'll work. Now, I've re-looked at my thing. It says you've got to give it a big stir. Hang on. Just turn this around. I can show you. When I stir it loads, this might splash over the edge. So I'm hoping it doesn't, but it might do. And just stop. And there, got a nice little image there. Now, it's turned out great. So, after we had a little mishap where it didn't quite work. I think it might have been because I mixed it a bit too much. Figured out how to break it up, sort it. Anyway, well, that was good, and I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess. See ya.